This is the standard CBeebies Room hotel, and first things first, it's pretty big. One of the main benefits of staying in this hotel room is that the kids section kind of here is separated from the adult section down there, which means you can put them in bed here and you can't hear them all through the night down there, which is fantastic. So if you look at the kids section, you've got a pair of bunk beds, which is really cool. But then you've also got a pull-out bed there, so that if you've got either extra kids or there's someone who's going to, like for instance mine, is 2 years old, he's not in a proper bed yet. If he goes in that, if he falls out, he's not going to drop from the top of there to the floor and go splat. There's some really cool light-up effects here. Let me see if I can get those on. Oh no, that's on. So look, it's all nice and... Whoop, no, that's absolutely nothing. So that should light up, but I don't know where the light switch for it is. Oh wait, that's got to be the light switch. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. There we go, nice and cool. There's also lots of kind of sensory and play things down here for kids. There's like a spinny wheel and a nice mirror and kind of jingly jangly bells. And then this is really cool. It's like a thermal screen where if you put your hand on it for a second and take it off, it leaves a pattern and then slowly disappears. They've also got their own telly down here, which is really useful if you just need a bit of peace and quiet. There's a kind of nice green footstool there to help you get your shoes on, and then a really big luggage space. So you've got room at the top here for bags, hangers for coats and things, ironing board, iron. There's some really good stuff in here for little kids as well. So there is a kiddie bath if you need to wash your really little one. And then in every room, there is this little drawer, which has got a travel cot and sheets to go with it, which is really nice. It means you don't have to mess around with reception asking for them. We've then got the bathroom here, which is pretty decent size actually. So you've got bath, shower, lots of towels, and a nice kind of CBeebies beach theme. You've got these so you got these shampoo and shower gel and things, and they smell quite nice. I can see that it seems to be sponsored by Carex, so having smelt it, it does smell like it's going to be Carex. Cool little feature with the toilet is they've got the toilet lid, but then you got a little kiddie toilet seat as well, which is brilliant for toddlers. And you also get a footstool so that little ones can get up and wash their own hands. And a nice little bin in the corner. Obviously you get some glasses, but we've already used one of them. Then kind of the usual tea and coffee making facilities. And you also have a bottle warmer, which is really a nice little touch. It means you don't have to bring one from home. The standard kind of fridge if you need anything. And as standard in every hotel, it's not very cold. You've then got the kind of grown-up section here, which has got a nice CBeebies thing over there that did have a light on it, which let me see if I can get it back on, because I don't know any of these lights do. There we go. Just looks quite nice lit up. The bed is fairly big. It's a little bit springy, but it's nice and comfy, to be honest. Some bedside tables and some bedside lamps. This is the view out of our window, which is just kind of onto woods and nothingness, really. It does open a tiny little bit, just to let some breeze through, but not too much that your children are going to fall out. And then also we've got a nice lamp in the corner and a telly there to while away your hours while you relax before either going into the park or after having spent a hard day trudging around Alton Towers. Overall, the room's pretty nice. It's just a quick one, just to kind of show you around. But to be honest, it's the cheapest hotel you can get here, really, usually. And if you've got kids, it's the one I'd go for every time. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this, hit that subscribe button and I'll catch you in the next one. Hopefully, I'll see you out there.